Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the TM promo originates and why it's appearing. Log into the account tied to those messages and save 2 or 3 representative examples with timestamps. Once done, open Notification or Marketing Preferences. Make immediate one-click choices like unsubscribe or opt out. If the source is an app, disable in-app promotions and toggle push notifications off. These first actions stop many promos quickly while you prepare the deeper fixes. Now you go deeper to prevent recurrence. In account settings, turn off all marketing categories and set communications to transactional only. Explain why. It prevents promotional lists from repopulating. Next, create filters or rules in email and SMS to auto-archive or block the sender. This ensures already queued promos never reach you. If an app is responsible, revoke marketing permissions and uninstall if needed. Make sure to save settings and confirm via a test. This validates the changes worked. Finish by verifying the change across devices. Log out, clear cache, and sign back in to confirm promo settings persist. If promos keep coming, contact the services support, request explicit removal from marketing lists, and escalate with screenshots. Also check any linked third-party accounts or integrations that might reintroduce promotions and disconnect them if necessary. Troubleshooting tip. Inspect auth-linked apps and revoke access. Many recurring promos originate from sharing permissions rather than the primary account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.